guys, welcome back to Beyond the Limits. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a chest stand. First off, you are going to do a bridge on the floor. After this, you are going to walk your hands and feet together, and then you're going to straighten both of your legs, and you're going to hold this position for 10 seconds. Then you are going to do a bridge on your elbows. After this, you are going to go on your knees, and then you are going to do a bridge on your knees. Once finished, you are going to stand up and go into a chair bridge. After this, go into a back bend and straighten your legs. Then you are going to swing yourself back and forth. Attempt to roll yourself into the chest stand so you can gain momentum. If you're having trouble getting all the way up, the next drill is for you. So you are going to lay down on your stomach, and then you are going to kick your legs up 10 times on each side. Once you have your chest stand, keep doing the back stretches I showed you, and soon you might be able to get your feet to touch the ground. If you're still having trouble getting up into the chest stand, practice rolling into it. If you have the back flexibility, but you don't have the strength to kick up, go into the back bend and go into the chest stand from there. If you're having a hard time breathing, it's because all the pressure is down on your throat, so try to grab your feet and lift your chest up. Anyways guys, that's a wrap for the video. I hope you learned your chest stand, and if you did, subscribe, like the video, turn on the post notifications, and make sure to stay beyond the limits.